Good morning to all. Today we are going to continue to electromagnetic induction, the next chapter, after finishing the magnetism. In magnetism, in the last chapter, we have already discussed about how the electric motor works. We have already studied construction of electric motor, working of electric motor. In order to know about how electric motor works, we have to study magnetism and electromagnet and solenoid. What type of magnetic field is produced by solenoid? What type of magnetic field is produced by a bar magnet? So, actually, a motor works with the interaction of the magnet. A current carrying wire also produces magnetic field. If a wire is repeatedly coiled, then magnetism increases. If one wire produces some amount of magnetic field, if two wire means it will increase double, if three wire means increase triple. Like that way, if we increase number of turns, the magnetic field also increases. So accordingly, when a magnet and magnet interact each other, north pole repel, south pole repel, north pole and south pole attract each other. Because of this interaction between the two magnets, a particular magnet is in motion. So by taking this motion, electrical energy, that means electromagnet and magnet, when a current carrying wire is placed inside a magnetic field, current carrying wire is moving. So this is the principle of electric motor. Motor means what? The device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is called electric motor. Electric motor means that device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. The principle of electric motor is what? When a current carrying wire is placed inside a magnetic field, the current carrying wire is in motion. So we have already studied about electric motor. I think you might have recall, very important. Now we are going to continue to electromagnetic induction. Magnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? Electromagnetic induction means what? Production of electric current or electromotive force. Electromotive force means what? EMF in a straight conductor when it is moving inside a magnetic field is called electromagnetic induction. You understand? All of you understand? Production of electric current or electromotive force in a straight conductor when it is moving inside a magnetic field is called electromagnetic induction. What is electromotive force? A conductor has many free electrons. a conductor has many free electrons. So this particular straight conductor is moving inside a magnetic field. All those free electrons present in the conductor is in motion. A force is induced. A force is induced on the electron what is present, free electrons present in the conductor. So that is called what? Electromotive force. Those electrons are started moving when it is moving inside a magnetic field. So this particular electromagnetic induction is the principle of electric motor. Electromagnetic induction is also known as principle of principle of electric generator, not motor. Sorry. What is electromagnetic induction? I have given. Electromagnetic induction is the principle of electric generator. So you see how it works. What is electromagnetic induction is explained by Faraday. So let us see Faraday experiment on electromagnetic induction. Faraday experiment on electromagnetic induction. In this experiment, it is clearly explained how current is induced in a straight conductor when it is moving inside a magnetic field. So, what is the principle? What is that? What is electric generator? Electric generator means what? Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. What is motor? Electrical energy is converted into mechanical. Opposite, motor and generator opposite. One is current is converted into mechanical energy in the case of motor. In the case of generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now, look, you take a solenoid. Just you make a solenoid, a number of winding on an insulator, might be a plastic pipe, might be a paper, to make it easily solenoid. This is a solenoid. So a coil, many number of turns on an insulator. Then, since it is a coil, there will be two ends. These two ends will be connected to a galvanometer. Galvanometer has an indicator. This is galvanometer G. And here, along the coil, you pick up one bar magnet and north pole this side and south pole that side. And this particular magnet you move up and down. When it is moving, north pole is moving towards the coil. This arrow mark is moving this side. Arrow indicator is moving this side. This arrow is indicating this side in the galvanometer. When it is moved out, this arrow is moving this side. That means as long as we are moving here, then what happened? This indicator is moving like this. That means it shows that current is induced. Current is moving to and fro. When current moves like this way, it is moving. When current moves like this way, this indicator is moving like this. So if we are moving faster, more current will be passing through it, and then it will move vigorously. Okay, that means when a magnet is moving near a coil, current is induced in the coil. When this coil is moving near a magnet, current also induced in the coil. Either the magnet or the coil can move, and because of the relation between the coil and magnet, okay, the current is induced here. So if we are not moving, current is no more inducing, no current. If either the coil or magnet moving, current is induced. Only the coil moving also will induce current. Only the magnet moving also current is induced. If both are moving also, current will induce. If they are at rest, no current will induce. So therefore the mechanical force then with application of the mechanical force, either the coil or the magnet is moving. Because of that what happened? Current is induced. So therefore what is generator? From here mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called what? This is called what? The device is called what? Electric generator. So this is electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. This particular simple experiment is called Faraday experiment, which is conducted on electromagnetic induction. So next time we will do another topic. Okay.